Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Hello everyone. If you are interested in creating your own wreath and adding your own style, your own colors, your different florals, you want to join my wreath making class. I have it now available for purchase. I will have the link down below, and you can go ahead and purchase the tutorial where you will have it forever. It's your own digital copy. So if you would like to learn how to make a fall wreath or any wreath for any seasonal decor, definitely you would like to go to my website and download that wreath making tutorial. It is easy, it is step by step, and I am with you all the way through. It's also a lot of fun. So thank you so much in advance for your support, and I will see you in class. Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. So today I thought I would change it up a little bit and take you guys along for a shop with me in Walmart for fall. So I am looking for a few things. I left a lot of my things in New York, so I really don't have anything to decorate with. So I'm looking for a few key pieces, and these garlands definitely caught my eye. I cannot believe the prices for these garlands. They are absolutely stunning. They were, I think it's $6.98 per garland, and they're 6 feet long, and they're absolutely beautiful. Like this one, the neutral color, and the green one has definitely caught my eye, and I'm definitely going to be grabbing a few of those. And then I just kind of wanted to take you guys along and show you guys what Walmart has in store for fall. So go ahead and enjoy the video, enjoy the music, and I will jump back in later.
I know you've heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. I knew when you came through the door that you are the love of my life. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. I remember meeting you in a dream, thinking that's the love of my life. Most handsome man I'd ever seen. I said you must be the love of my life. Hold on now. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around.
So you guys, I am here, I'm home, and I just wanted to show you what I picked up from Walmart, which I picked up my toilet paper, of course, but I also got these 3 candlesticks. I got the like goldish yellow color last year for fall, but I think those are still in New York. But I picked these up. They're like a burgundy-ish color, and I figured I can use them in the fall, but I can also use them at Christmas time, which will be really, really cool. So I got the larger size. It was on clearance. I don't remember the original price, but the clearance price was $4.50, and then the smaller size was $3. So I got all 3 of them for $10, $10.50, which is not bad. So if you guys have a local Walmart near you, run, because they are selling out if you are interested in purchasing these beautiful candlesticks or candle stands or whatever you want to call them. So I am so happy with my purchase. But I am going to go ahead and end this vlog, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the shop with me for fall. It's probably a little late, but it's okay. I'm getting it up. You guys still have time to, actually Walmart literally just started putting out their fall stuff in my location. So they are fully stocked with fall items. So if you guys, you know, haven't started shopping yet, if you are planning on shopping, you don't have to go out and buy anything if you have stuff already. It is up to your discretion. If you want to go out and shop the stores for fall, y'all go ahead and get these prices because they are selling out fast and they have a lot of cute things. I'm gonna go back for those garlands, you guys. The like neutral color ones and the green ones, $6.50 or something like that. 98 maybe, $6.98 I think it was. I'm definitely gonna go back for a few of them because I just want to start, you know, making the place feel like fall a little bit. So I am super excited. So thank you guys for joining me today. I will see y'all in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. See you next time. Bye.